This is Joe Kendall with Arrow Orchard. I'm in this field right now looking for some sheds. A nice trick is to go on a really sunny day. All this field is matted down from all the snow, and if you go and you look at the bottom of these bushes and thickets, you'll be able to find some sheds that you missed prior years. I actually matched up 2 bucks to it was like 2 years ago, and I matched them up in this field because I couldn't find them when the grass was so tall. But because we had a lot of snow, it packed it way down to where the tines were showing, and because it's very bright out, the white on the antlers like shines. It's very bright. So I have noticed this year I've found a lot more in the woods than I usually do. So I'm gonna have to go back through and try to find some more in the woods. I'm really good at finding them in oak flats just because of the coloring of the leaves and the sheds. There's a turkey over there. Got one. But just slowly grid search it. And right up on top of that ridge, usually a cornfield, but this year they planted grass, probably like a winter rye or winter wheat instead. So usually I find a good number of sheds in here, but this year I've only found 2. And all has to do with the weather and where they put the food. Some years I find a bunch in here, and actually this year would be the year that I didn't find that many, but I got permission on other properties, new ones this year.